Greetings, River Lady here, and if I sound muffled, it's because I'm recording on my phone and I'm wearing my mask because I'm out in public at a local nursery and Harlee is pulling me away from the bushes. This way, come on. Okay, so I wanted to show you some of the hydrangeas that a local nursery has on display, and here we have a beautiful sized summer crush, and let's come in and see what this magnificent hydrangea is. Beautiful Lacecap, and this is called Tough Stuff. I have heard about Tough Stuff. We have quite a few Tough Stuff hydrangeas. Who are you out of? $50 for Tough Stuff. Proven winners. Beautiful. And here, on this side, I don't even have to look at the label. This is Endless Summer, the original. I'm just guessing, and bingo. Yes. And there are some buds right there. These are all Endless Summer, the original. It's a sea of Endless Summer, the original. Absolutely stunning. Here's a lovely display of Let's Dance out of proven winners, but they've adjusted the pH so that the flowers are purple. But you can also take Let's Dance and bring her to a pink color. I think the purple hues are my favorite. Oh, who am I kidding? I love all hydrangeas. Okay, here's some Monrovia. This looks like an Invincible spirit right here. Yeah, it's a proven winner's pot. Let's check the label. Hang on, Harlee. Hang on, lots to sniff. Yep, Invincible spirit too. Mine's gonna look that good this year because Diane, my sister, has infused her. Here we have a short little row of City Line Paris, which is also proven winner. This baby is a Lacecap, and it's called Hydrangea Cherry Explosion. It's not a proven winner. Gorgeous. And then back there, there's a row of Summer Crush hydrangeas, and I do want to get back into there to see who that pink hydrangea is. So let's get over there. Here's a row of Annabelles. I love Annabelles. I'm wondering, someday I am actually going to buy an Annabelle and put her in. This might be the summer that I put in an Annabelle. And then we have some Limelights, a couple of Invincible spirits in there. Gorgeous collection, but I'm still going to work on getting down to that soft pink hydrangea. That might be the hydrangea for me this time. Alright, I am back where the soft pink hydrangea is, and it is out of Plants Nouveau, and it's an Everlasting Noblesse. I have a Noblesse at home, but I don't get flowers this soft pink. My flowers start out white, and then they turn that beautiful soft pastel greenish tint. This starts out pink, and then according to the photograph, we'll get that greenish tint to the petals. Absolutely stunning. How much is this? Probably a lot more than I can spend. Sorry, hold on. Trying to manipulate a dog who has a lot to sniff. Who are you? Let's see who this little guy is. This is Onyx Zebra. I know, Harlee, you have lots to sniff. Onyx Zebra has some buds, but I'm not finding a label, so I will have to research you. Onyx Zebra. Here behind the Onyx Zebra is a collection of Hydrangea Next Generation Pistachio. What an interesting flower. And here we have some real big tubs of hydrangeas. I don't have enough property. Whoop, going around a pole. And who am I dealing with here in these large tubs? I am dealing with, it is called Teller's Blue Lacecap hydrangeas. And here we're dealing with, we have Invincible Limetta. Wow, the Invincible line is getting large in its selection. So there's quite a few smooth hydrangeas to select. All right, Harlee, go through. Here we have some panicles called Ruby Slippers. They're oak leaf. You can tell they're oak leaf by the shape of their leaves, but the flowers are a panicle shape. Oh, okay, I guess I'm gonna have to buy a hydrangea because I have been wanting an Invincible wee white. Do I have a spot for another hydrangea? I love Invincible wee white. Just a stunning plant. It has lots of buds, but that doesn't mean anything. It just means that it's been treated well over the winter in a greenhouse somewhere. I wonder how much you are. Probably more than I can afford. All right, I'm gonna have to ask. Okay, this is a row of little Quickfire. I have a little Quickfire. They're an early blooming panicle hydrangea. And this is a row of Quickfire, not little Quickfire. So they're not dwarf. They're just larger versions of Quickfire, which is an early blooming panicle hydrangea. You can see lots of buds. And here, oh, I love hydrangeas. This is Limelight. So many. I want to own them all. Oh, I love them. Okay. That pretty much does it. Lots of hydrangeas to choose from this year. Lots of hydrangeas to choose from. All right. This is River Lady. Thank you for joining me on this garden tour of my local nursery. And happy gardening.